Whenever our iPhone slips from the hand, we experience gravity. Say thanks to the world-famous inventor Newton, who introduced this to the world. This video is all about Newton's childhood and the facts that are hardly revealed. But before we get started, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell button icon so you never miss an update. Sir Isaac Newton was born on the 25th of December in the year 1642. His father was Isaac Newton and his mother was Hannah Askoff. Newton was an English mathematician and astronomer who is extensively recognized as one of the most powerful scientists of all time, and as a key character in the technical revolution. His book was first published in the year 1687, and it laid the basis of classical mechanics. Newton expressed the laws of motion and universal gravitation that shaped the leading scientific viewpoint until it was outdated by the theory of relativity. He also used his description of gravity to show Kepler's planetary motion, routes of comets, the precession of equinoxes, and also for eliminating doubt that the solar system's heliocentricity. He established that the motion of objects on Earth and celestial bodies can be accounted for by the same values. Newton's implication that the Earth is an oblate spheroid was long established by the geodetic measurements of Martis, resounding most European scientists of the power of Newtonian mechanics over previous systems. He also constructed the first practical reflecting telescope and industrialized a sophisticated theory of color based on the comment that a prism splits white light into the colors of the noticeable spectrum. His work on light was composed in a highly powerful book named Optics, which was published in the year 1704. He also expressed an empirical law of cooling and presented the notion of Newtonian fluid. In accumulation to his work on calculus as a mathematician, Newton funded the study of power series, widespread the binomial theorem to non-integer proponents, industrialized a method resembling the roots of a function, and categorized the cubic plane curves. Newton also dedicated much of his time to the study of experimentation and biblical chronology, but most of his work in those areas continued unpublished until long after his death. Administratively and personally tied to the Whig Party, he held two brief terms as member of the Parliament for the University of Cambridge, in the year 1689 and in the year 1701. In the year 1705, he was knighted by Queen Anne and spent the last 3 decades in London serving as Warden and a Master of Royal Mint, as well as the President of Royal Society. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.